So we're gonna have ribs and chicken.
Whose friends are they?
Well, you've met Matt, but Matt's gonna join us. And Matt's gonna bring a buddy of his from work who we don't know, so we're all gonna meet a new guy today. And then I think Robbie's gonna try to come too. I know you love Robbie.
Yes, I also vice person's coming.
Huh?
Vice person's coming.
Yeah, a couple persons are coming.
The sun goes down.
Yeah, but yeah, Robbie's one of your best friends, right?
Yeah. What's one of my best friends?
Yeah.
He is my best friend. Or are he friends?
You're his friends. And Matt's his friends. And Mommy Daddy's his friends. We're his friends too. But yeah, well, I think it'd be a nice thing for you to tell Robbie that he's your best friend. I think he'd like to hear that.
Yeah, but he's my friend. Those are my friends.
They are your friends.
Uncle Paul, we met Uncle Paul last night.
Yeah, Uncle Paul came by last night to do a little work.
But he had to just take some rest.
He took some little rest as well. He had a little glass of wine. You know that Uncle Paul and Daddy work together? Okay.
This is our best friend.
We're very good friends, yes. My best friend is Eddie. My other best friend is Charlie.
No, I'm not. I'm just a parent.
I'm a parent. I am a parent. You are not a parent. But I do appreciate the distinction.